In an up economy, when unemployment is low, everybody's competing for the same workforce. They need to get them in the door, get them engaged, figure out how to retain and get the most out of those workers. But we've got challenges that I think a lot of people have never even thought about. In the 60s, we had a long, sustained post-war economic boom that stretched right on into the 70s. And the workforce was expanding. We could soak up all these workers. Why? Because we had a baby boom of 80 million boomers to draw on. We had liberal immigration policies, and we had women for the first time really flooding into the workforce. Flash forward to today, we've got tightened immigration. Women, they're already in the workplace. And baby boomers, those 80 million, they're starting to be on their way out of the workforce. So the tightening isn't just the economy. It's that the available workforce has shrunk, and companies need to find ways to know what to do about that, and that's what we can help with.